everyone. So my name is Elizabeth Lowe, and I was a recipient of the $10,000 Herbert Hoover Uncommon Student Award. And if you have this opportunity to apply for this scholarship and this journey, I highly encourage you to. You could be one of those 4 students receiving those awards. And it's not just the money that you gain in this process. It's also the experiences. And for me, that was being able to use my passions that I had. I love to cook, and being able to extend that to others within the community to benefit them in a way that just improve their lives. I highly encourage you to find out more at the Herbert Hoover website, and you could be one of those 4 students receiving this $10,000 award.